Welcome to the demonstration video on integrating Cisco ThousandEyes with Cisco Meraki. In this video, you will learn how to use the Meraki dashboard to orchestrate the deployment of ThousandEyes agents and tests on your Meraki MX devices. Installing Cisco ThousandEyes agents at branch locations significantly enhances end-to-end visibility across your WAN environment, users, and application. This integration enables you to deploy agents on existing Meraki MX devices, together with quick deployment of tests for the most commonly used enterprise applications. This way, you can detect SaaS application issues even before users might report them and perform detailed end-to-end analysis to pinpoint the root cause of the issues. Before you begin the integration, ensure that you have met all the prerequisites. ThousandEyes agents are supported on all Meraki MX device models MX67 or later, running firmware version 18.104 or higher. The MX device must have at least an advanced security license or a secure SD-WAN Plus license to host the ThousandEyes agent. Once the agent is deployed, running tests on it consumes standard ThousandEyes unit licenses. The Meraki organization requires a minimum of 2 account administrators, otherwise the integration will fail. Once all prerequisites are met, you can begin the integration by logging in to the Meraki dashboard and navigating to Insight Active Application Monitoring. To initiate integration, click Get Started. In the first step, you need to authorize your Meraki instance to access the ThousandEyes portal. Click Authenticate. Enter your ThousandEyes credentials and confirm the access rights for Meraki. If authentication is successful, a list of available ThousandEyes account groups will be displayed. Choose the account group where you want to deploy the agents and click Confirm. Once the chosen account group is shown as connected, click Next. In the second step, you can select the applications for which the wizard will automatically deploy ThousandEyes test templates. For this demonstration, select Cisco Webex and click Next. To schedule ThousandEyes tests relevant for your SaaS tenant instance, you typically need to specify the organization's subdomain for the selected application. In this example, enter the subdomain Cisco, then click Next. In the next step, select the relevant networks that contain supported MX devices. Networks without supported devices will not appear. Select both available networks and click Next. In the last step, review the summary of your selected options, then click Start Monitoring. On the Meraki side, the highest licensing tier, the SD-WAN Plus license, includes some free ThousandEyes test entitlements. For this demonstration, skip this step by clicking Get Later to dismiss the pop-up. Deployment of the agents may take a few minutes. Afterwards, switch to the ThousandEyes portal and navigate to Network and App Synthetics, Agent Settings. You should now see 2 new agents displayed in the list. Click an entry to confirm that the agent is deployed on a Cisco Meraki MX device. If you navigate to Network and App Synthetics, Test Settings, you will also see a scheduled test for the selected Webex application. Click the test to view the initial results. As expected, the target application is currently reachable. Now that you have learned how to integrate Cisco ThousandEyes with Cisco Meraki, you can use this integration to efficiently deploy enterprise agents across your Meraki WAN environment and quickly schedule tests for the most common enterprise SaaS applications. This enables you to run ThousandEyes tests directly from branch locations, increasing end-to-end visibility and reducing the mean time to resolution for WAN-related issues. Thank you for watching.